How to fix Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed in Fortnite. Now, this is just a very quick process for you to be able to fix or repair this kind of issue. First is just go into the main file of your Fortnite. To do that, just go into your file manager, local disk C, program files. From here, choose on Fortnite game, binaries, Win64. Now inside the Win64 folder, you should be able to see anti-cheat, easy anti-cheat folder. Open it up, and then on the next page, easy anti-cheat underscore EOS underscore setup.exe. You might have to right click on that and choose on create shortcut. Now from the shortcut that you created, right click on it once again and choose on rename. Now at the very last portion of that folder, just simply erase it till you go into the exe and then simply type in space repair. Hit on enter and launch the shortcut that you created, and it will allow you to manually install Easy Anti-Cheat for your Fortnite game. And that is how you fix Easy Anti-Cheat not installed on Fortnite.